Maker and developer Rory Johnson has created a new Raspberry Pi laptop using Plywood to create a unique portable system that is now available under the Creative Commons license, allowing those interested to create their own laser-cut wooden laptop. The Plywood laptop has been in development since 2016, 2 years, hundreds of hours, thousands of dollars, and one partner's frayed patience later, I finalized the designs for Rev 1.0 of the Plytop Shell. The Plytop has been specifically designed to accommodate the Raspberry Pi or other similar-sized single-board computers. The laptop has been designed to enable owners to customize the internal layout, adding extra development boards, batteries, and other required electronics in any way they desire. In keeping with the idea of complete flexibility, there's no defined layout for the internals of the Plytop. Rather, there's an array of star-shaped openings on the bottom plate that allow the builder to connect hardware components up in whatever way works for them. Rory actually suggests just holding everything down with zip ties to allow for ease of tinkering. Everything you need to be able to build your very own Plytop laptop powered by a Raspberry Pi mini PC or similar.